Hi, in front of me is OPPO F19 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Privacy section. Then click on Privacy at the top right corner and select App Lock. Finally, click on Got It and click on the gray sweater next to App Lock feature. If you don't have privacy password already, you need to set it up to use App Lock. In order to do that, tap on Settings. Then click on Use a different password type and tap on the best login method for your apps. 4 digits, 4 to 16 digits, pattern or alphanumeric. Then create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. Finally, set up recovery email just in case and tap on confirm. Then answer security question. If you don't like it, click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, tap on Custom Question at the bottom and create your own. Save it by tapping on Confirm and answer it correctly below. Then tap on this check mark at the top right corner. Finally, just click on the gray sweaters next to apps that you wish to lock. And in order to unlock them by Face Unlock tool, tap on Use in the pop-up. If you don't want to do it, choose Cancel. So when I go back and try to access my locked app, I can see that privacy password is now required. If you want to disable app lock from your app, you need to access exactly the same settings. Enter your privacy password and click on the blue sweater next to your app. To disable app lock completely, click on the blue sweater next to it. And if you wish to delete privacy password, go back. Select Password and Security from Main Settings. Click on Privacy Password under Face. Enter it. And choose Turn Off Password. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Then enter it one last time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!